Is a lack of expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment truly standing between you and the fitter, stronger, more energetic version of yourself you envision? In this revolutionary and incredibly practical guide, we're going to shatter the myth that getting in shape requires a hefty financial investment or access to specialized machinery. We'll reveal a scientifically sound, remarkably effective pathway to building strength, improving cardiovascular health, enhancing flexibility, and boosting your overall fitness, all by creatively leveraging the everyday items already found within your home. You'll gain invaluable insights into how common household objects can be transformed into versatile workout tools, discover ingenious exercise variations, and learn the fundamental principles of progressive overload. Prepare to unlock a world of accessible fitness, empowering you to achieve your health goals, save money, and cultivate a consistent exercise habit that truly fits into your life, compelling you to see your home not just as a living space, but as your ultimate personal gym. The pursuit of fitness often conjures images of gleaming gym equipment, personal trainers, and rows of specialized machines. This perception, while valid for some, inadvertently creates a significant barrier for many others. Cost, lack of time, geographical distance to a gym, social anxiety, or simply the intimidation of a crowded fitness center can deter even the most well-intentioned individuals from embarking on a fitness journey. The insidious belief that you need a gym to get fit has unfortunately taken root, leaving countless people feeling defeated before they even begin. However, this is a profound misconception. Our bodies are designed to move, and they respond to stimulus regardless of its source. The fundamental principles of exercise, resistance, cardiovascular challenge, and range of motion can be effectively applied using creativity and the seemingly mundane objects found in any home. The ingenious twist here is that the very environment you inhabit daily can become your most convenient and personalized fitness hub. This isn't about compromise, it's about intelligent adaptation and recognizing the inherent potential in simplicity. The fundamental principles of home fitness. Before we dive into specific household items, let's firmly grasp the core principles that make any workout effective, regardless of where or with what you train. Understanding these will unlock the true power of your household gym. 1. Progressive overload. The engine of progress. This is the single most important principle for getting fitter. Your body adapts to stress. To continue making progress, getting stronger, faster, more enduring, you must continually challenge it slightly more than it's accustomed to. In a gym, this might mean adding more weight to a barbell. At home, with household items, it means increasing repetitions, reps, doing more repetitions of an exercise. Increasing sets, doing more rounds of an exercise. Decreasing rest time, shortening the breaks between sets. Increasing time under tension, performing movements more slowly and controlled. Increasing frequency, working out more often. Improving form, perfecting technique makes exercises more effective. Varying exercises, introducing more challenging variations of an exercise, e.g., knee push-ups to full push-ups. Without progressive overload, your body will plateau. This concept is your secret weapon for continuous improvement using minimal equipment. 2. Consistency. The habit that pays off. The most elaborate workout plan is useless if you don't stick to it. Consistency trumps intensity in the long run. Aim for regular, even short, workouts rather than sporadic, grueling sessions. The accessibility of household items removes many excuses, making daily movement more achievable. 3. Proper form. Safety and effectiveness. No matter what you're lifting or how you're moving, correct form is paramount. Poor form can lead to injury and ineffective workouts. Start with lighter resistance, or no resistance, to master the movement pattern before adding weight. Watch online tutorials, use mirrors, or even record yourself to check your technique. 4. Listening to your body. Intelligent training. Pay attention to your body's signals. Differentiate between muscle fatigue, good, and joint pain, bad. Rest when needed, and don't push through sharp pain. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Transforming household items into your ultimate gym equipment. Now, let's get creative. Here's how common household items can become surprisingly effective fitness tools. A. Resistance and strength training. Building muscle with what you have. Strength training is crucial for building and maintaining muscle mass, boosting metabolism, improving bone density, and enhancing functional strength for daily tasks. Water bottles, milk jugs, cans, weights. The power. These are your most accessible free weights. Fill bottles or jugs with water, sand, or rocks for varying resistance. Cans of soup or vegetables are perfect for lighter resistance. Exercises. Bicep curls. Hold a jug in each hand, palms forward, curl towards your shoulders. Overhead presses. Press jugs straight overhead from shoulder height. Squats. Goblet, sumo. Hold one large jug with both hands against your chest, goblet, or between your legs, sumo, while performing squats. Lunges. Hold jugs in each hand by your sides. Rows. Bend at the waist, hold jugs, and pull them towards your chest, squeezing shoulder blades. Calf raises. Hold jugs and raise onto the balls of your feet. Twist for progression. Start with water, then use sand for more density. Use larger containers, 2-liter bottles, gallon jugs, as you get stronger. Perform the negative, lowering, phase of the movement very slowly to increase time under tension. Backpack, duffel bag, adjustable weight. The power. This is a truly versatile tool. Fill it with books, canned goods, or even more water bottles to create adjustable weight. Exercises. Weighted squats, lunges. Wear it on your back. Weighted push-ups. Place it on your upper back for added resistance. Weighted step-ups. Hold it while stepping onto a sturdy chair or step. Goblet squats, kettlebell swings, modified, hold the weighted bag by its handle. Twist for progression. Gradually add more weight, more books. Change where you hold the bag to shift the center of gravity and challenge different muscles. Chairs, stools, support and elevation. The power. Stable chairs are excellent for modifying exercises, providing support, or increasing range of motion. Exercises. Chair squats. Sit down and stand up without using your hands. Progress to single-leg chair squats. Incline push-ups. Place hands on the seat of a sturdy chair, easier. Decline push-ups. Place feet on the seat of a sturdy chair, harder. Triceps dips. With hands on the chair seat, lower your body. Step-ups. Step onto and off a sturdy, stable chair. Twist for progression. For chair squats, hover just above the chair without fully sitting. For step-ups, try to control the descent as slowly as possible. Towels, sliders and resistance bands. The power. A simple towel can provide friction-reducing sliding or resistance. Exercises. As sliders on a hard floor. Mountain climbers. Place feet on towels, slide knees to chest alternately. Leg curls. Lie on back, heels on towels, slide feet towards glutes, lifting hips. Pike ups. Start in plank with feet on towels, slide feet towards hands, lifting hips into an inverted V. Lateral lunges. Place one foot on a towel, slide it out to the side while bending the standing leg. Exercises. As resistance. Towel rows. Sit on floor, loop towel around feet, pull ends towards you. Towel chest press. Hold towel ends, push hands away from each other. Twist for progression. For sliders, reduce the friction, e.g., use less slippery towels, to make it harder. For resistance, pull harder on the towel. B. Cardiovascular health. Elevating your heart rate. Cardio is vital for heart health, stamina, and burning calories. You don't need a treadmill. Stairs, stair climbing. The power. Your personal stair machine. Climbing stairs is an excellent, high-intensity, low-impact cardio workout. Exercises. Simply walk or run up and down your stairs. Vary pace, take 2 steps at a time, or add side steps. Twist for progression. Increase speed, do more rounds, carry a light backpack for added resistance, or try doing sets of stair sprints. Jump rope, improvised, imaginary. The power. If you have an actual jump rope, fantastic. If not, an imaginary one works wonders for coordination and cardio. Exercises. Jump rope, forward, backward, alternating feet, high knees. Twist for progression. Increase duration, add tricks, or combine with burpees for a killer interval. Open space. Bodyweight cardio. The power. Your living room is your cardio studio. Exercises. Jumping jacks, high knees, butt kicks, burpees, shadow boxing, dancing to your favorite music, running in place. Twist for progression. Increase intensity by moving faster, incorporating more explosive movements, jump squats, plyo lunges, or extending durations. Use interval training, e.g., 30 seconds on, 30 seconds rest. See flexibility and mobility. Staying supple, maintaining range of motion, and preventing stiffness is crucial for long-term health and injury prevention. Towels, belts, stretching aids, the power. Extend your reach for deeper stretches. Exercises. Hamstring stretch. Lie on your back, loop towel around foot, gently pull leg straight up. Shoulder, chest stretch. Hold towel behind your back, pull hands apart. Twist for progression. Gradually reduce the slack in the towel as your flexibility improves. Walls, doorways, assisted stretching, the power. Use stable structures for support and leverage. Exercises. Calf stretch. Place hands on wall, step back 1 foot, lean forward. Chest stretch. Stand in a doorway, place forearms on doorframe, lean forward. Twist for progression. Increase the lean or stretch deeper as comfortable. D-core strength. The center of it all, strong core, abdominals, lower back, obliques, is fundamental for posture, balance, and preventing back pain. Pillows, cushions, stability challenge, the power. Placing a pillow under your hands or feet can create instability, forcing your core to work harder. Exercises. Plank on pillows. Place forearms on a pillow, hold plank position. Push-ups on pillows. Place hands on pillows, adds instability. Twist for progression. Use softer, less stable pillows to increase the challenge. Flooring, bodyweight core, the power. Your floor is perfect for classic core exercises. Exercises. Planks, crunches, leg raises, Russian twists, can hold a water bottle for added weight, bird dog. Twist for progression. Increase hold time for planks, perform more repetitions, or slow down the movements for increased time under tension. Crafting your household workout routine with these tools in mind. How do you structure a workout? Warm up, 5-10 minutes, light cardio, marching in place, arm circles, leg swings, to get blood flowing and muscles ready. Workout, 20-45 minutes, full body approach, aim to hit major muscle groups. You could do 2-3 sets of 8-15 repetitions for each strength exercise. Circuit training. Combine strength and cardio. For example, squats, with jug, greater than jumping jacks, push-ups, on chair, greater than plank, rest. Repeat the circuit 2-4 times. Frequency. Aim for 3-5 days of structured exercise per week. Cool down, 5-10 minutes. Gentle stretching for all major muscle groups, holding each stretch for 20-30 seconds. Example workout structure. Full body. Warm-up chair squats. 3 sets of 10-15 reps. Push-ups. On floor or incline on chair. 3 sets of as many reps as possible. Bicep curls. With jugs. 3 sets of 10-15 reps. Overhead press. With jugs. 3 sets of 10-15 reps. Plank. 3 sets, hold for 30-60 seconds, jumping jacks. 3 sets of 1 minute. Cool down stretches, hamstring, quad, chest, triceps, calf. Remember to progressive overload. If chair squats become too easy, try holding a backpack or hovering longer at the bottom. If push-ups on the floor are easy, try decline push-ups with your feet on a chair. The greatest value of using household items for fitness lies in its accessibility and the profound shift in mindset it cultivates. It removes the common excuses, empowering you to take control of your health regardless of external circumstances. This approach fosters consistency because your gym is always open, always free, and always just a few steps away. It promotes creativity and problem solving, turning everyday objects into tools for transformation. This isn't just about physical changes, it's about building mental resilience, resourcefulness, and a deep appreciation for the power of your own body. Stop waiting for the perfect gym or the ideal equipment. Your body is ready, and your home is fully equipped. Unleash the power within your living space and discover the incredible strength you already possess.